YouTube family. I don't usually do any promos on my channel, but I've got something really special for you. Hey there, thank you for stopping your scroll. This is Barbie Figueroa. Today I want to invite you to a very special webinar that is happening on October 1st at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you might be interested in what we have to say on that webinar if you're a digital marketer and you are looking to brand, grow, and scale your business online, but you still find yourself in that shiny tool syndrome phase where you don't know what tools you should be using to build your business. Maybe you are using an expensive funnel builder that's not even really allowing you to get off the ground running because you're worried about paying that bill at the end of the month. I know that was where I was just a few years ago. I was a struggling web designer trying to make it in affiliate marketing, and I was just stuck trying to figure out what funnel software builder to use, what website builder to use, what autoresponder to use, and all those things. And that kept me stuck and spinning my wheels where I couldn't move my business forward. That's until I discovered the company that I have been using to build my business for the last 2.5 years. Not only that, but we also have a ridiculously generous compensation program which pays 100% commissions on the first sale if you choose to share our software with others. And in today's world, with everything that's going on right now, people need to be online. People need someone they can trust that's going to put the right tools in their hands. It's not going to cost them an arm and a leg, that will allow them to focus on getting their business off the ground rather than worrying about how they're going to pay their bill at the end of the month. So if this sounds like something that you resonate with, I would love to invite you to a very special webinar that is going to be happening on October 1st at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you are going to discover how to slash your marketing bill significantly so that you can increase your profits big time. Okay, this is what this software and this company has allowed me to do. And I'm also one of their top affiliates because I love their software so much and it's helped me so much that I just want to share it with people like you. So if you are struggling still in that shiny tool syndrome, you haven't settled on a tool to build funnels, to build websites, to do your email marketing, you're looking for an all-in-one solution that's going to help you keep more money in your pocket, I highly encourage you to click on the link right below and register for our very special webinar on October 1st. And I'll see you there. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.